The buzz at the recent IRLS conference in New York was the continued growth in ILS and cat bond issuance in 2014 and expectation of continued growth in 2015. Of course, this all has an impact on major insurance and reinsurance domiciles like Bermuda. In fact, since 2009, Bermuda has grown to be the leading global domicile for ILS, with about $16 billion listed on the Bermuda Stock Exchange at the end of last year. We spoke with Greg Wojciechowski, President and CEO of the BSX, about the ILS market and Bermuda's position as a leader in the market. Here are the highlights.
So Bermuda had a great year in terms of company and corporations in the ILS space, and the exchange in particular had an excellent year. It was a record year. So we ended 2014 with approximately 115 listed securities, ILS securities, and that ranges cat bonds to funds that invest in cat structures, with a market cap of about $15 billion. So we're delighted because we've captured approximately 50% of the market of the cat bonds issued and outstanding right now. So very good year, and you know, we look at 2015 with a very similar type of approach. We think the pipeline is similar to what it was in 14. All indications are proving that'll be the case. We're delighted to be in a position to support the market and watch the market grow and develop. I think the growth is attributable directly to the fact that Bermuda is a key player, a well entrenched player in the specialty risk. You know, Bermuda is known as the risk capital of the world. So when there's a development in that market segment, an innovation, you know, when something changes like third-party capital coming in, Bermuda is the logical place to be able to support, you know, market evolution and market innovation. And I attribute that directly. Bermuda's tried and tested. The regulatory framework is well known by our international clients. The players are all in Bermuda. There is a concentration of mind and management in this space, in the traditional reinsurance space in Bermuda. The exchange is very focused on providing exchange-related services. So, if you will, it's a perfect cottage industry for Bermuda. All the pieces are there that support you know, this market space and our traditional clients and our traditional products as well. Well, you know, the BSX, we love being in the ILS space. You know, we love the market, but of course we are a stock exchange, so we provide domestic market services for the Bermuda economy. And we have, of our 750 listed issuers, we have, you know, debt structures, we have equity structures. So we'll continue to you know, market our services. We're continuing to develop our infrastructure. We are a fully deployed exchange system. We have, you know, we work with NASDAQ for our technology. We're going to continue to grow our international capital market support services. And it's a really exciting time at the exchange. So one of the other developments, which is actually solidifying and further solidifying Bermuda's prominence in terms of being a center of excellence in ILS, is the third annual Bermuda Convergence 2015 conference, or business networking event, which will be held again in 2015, November 11th through the 13th. So a great time for people to come down to Bermuda, meet other people in the space, network, business develop, and also see people that they need to see in terms of what their requirements will be going forward into the next calendar year.
If you'd like to see more of our coverage from SIFMA's ILRS conference, visit the RIN TV On Demand Library.